Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by confirming you meet eligibility rules, check contribution history, and the refund reason. Once confirmed, collect precise documents, photo ID, NHT statement or receipts, and your bank account number. Next, open the official refund form now and read each required field, fill dates and amounts exactly as on your records. This initial accuracy avoids delays. If a field seems unclear, pause and compare your documents before proceeding so every entry matches, supporting proofs. Now complete the form step by step, entering names, account numbers, and contribution totals exactly as on your statements. Make sure to attach clear scans or photos of each supporting document. Label files so reviewers can match them to form sections. Once done, review every numeric field and add signatures or initials where required. If the form asks for an official stamp, secure it before submission. This careful verification reduces back and forth and speeds approval. Finally, submit through the official portal or hand-deliver to the designated office and obtain a receipt or confirmation number. Keep digital and paper copies. Then monitor your email and the processing portal for status updates and estimated timelines. If you receive a rejection, read the reason carefully, correct the identified issue, often a missing document or mismatched number, and resubmit immediately with a cover note explaining changes. A single clear troubleshooting fix usually resolves most.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.